Well, good morning. We are tracking fog this morning. The live radar network quiet, which is good news, but a dense fog advisory does continue here for Waco, Temple, Killeen points to the north, including Bosque County. That runs until 10 o'clock, and that's because visibilities have fallen down below a mile in many locations, quarter mile now in Mejia and in Gatesville, quarter mile in Hamilton, and half mile now in Hillsborough and Waco. Our Heather Healy is out in the Storm Wrangler between McGregor and Moody, and this is the view they have right now. As you can see, some of that fog along Highway 317 in southern McLennan County. You can tell it is a little thick at spots. And remember, this view is not really doing us justice. That fog, just looking there right now, is probably less than a mile thick. So less than a mile visibility, rather, and so you do need to take it careful on the roads here this morning. As far as that fog is concerned, look here, it is going to clear out. Once we head towards, say, 8, 9 o'clock this morning, we should start to see things wind down and things get a little bit better here as we get into the middle of the day. Then we'll have to watch for a thunderstorm chance this afternoon. So you're dealing with fog this morning. Things should quiet down for the first half of the day, and then second half of the day is when we're watching for that thunderstorm development. And opposed to yesterday when we had multiple thunderstorms ongoing, which means they were all competing for the same energy. Today it'll be very isolated in nature, maybe 1, 2, or 3 thunderstorms, and they'll all have access to all the energy in the atmosphere. And so this time the storms could be stronger. Potential's there for hail up to the size of baseballs, winds to 60 to 65 miles per hour, and can never rule out a low-end tornado threat, although it does not look like we have the same amount of spin in the atmosphere as yesterday. I know we didn't get any reports yesterday, but trust me, I was out in the Storm Wrangler and things were spinning out there. So we had enough spin to produce it. Just didn't end up happening. Today we're going to have less spin, but when you get a thunderstorm that can manipulate its environment by being the only one out there, you can never rule it out. So we'll watch for that. Again, isolated thunderstorm development more likely this afternoon. The best chances along and west of 35. I know Future Track is nailing Bell County here. Don't take it as gospel. It could pop up anywhere along and west of I-35, then move to the south. Eventually, things should start to clear out once we get past 9 o'clock tonight. We lose the daytime heating. Then tomorrow, as a cold front approaches, expect more thunderstorms to develop. The timing on this likely going to be during the late morning into the afternoon hours. With these thunderstorms, potential's there for them to turn severe as well. They'll be along the front until that can clear out, and then we may still have lingering showers behind that into Saturday morning. But as those storms form along the front, depending on the timing of the front, if they can strike in the afternoon, potential's there for severe weather again. And since these are going to be more numerous, I put you in the scattered category, but notice the threats are lower than what we'll be dealing with today. Golf ball size hail, 65-mile-per-hour winds, may be an isolated tornado. Then things start to wind on down for the weekend, which is good news. 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms today again, but if one goes, could be pretty severe. 70% chance of storms coming up for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday look quiet. And then next week looking more active again. 30 to 50% chances of rain with the potential for severe weather still in place as we go into the middle of next week. Temperatures in the 80s.
Major labor protests are planned in cities across our country today on issues more related to the Trump